Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to restart Windows 11 PC or laptop using keyboard shortcuts here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. So firstly, let me just show you my on-screen keyboard to completely show you what exactly keys you are going to press to avoid any confusion or to avoid any mistake. So let me just proceed at the button search bar and type for on-screen keyboard. So from here, let me just proceed with the open options to show my on-screen keyboard. Okay. So at the physical or built-in keyboard that you are having along with your laptop, you need to proceed on Windows key, X key, U key, and R key together, and in that way you would be able to restart your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Again, don't use your on-screen keyboard. Use your physical or built-in keyboard. I'm just showing you what exactly keys you are going to press to avoid any mistakes, to avoid any error, or to completely clarify what keys you are going to press with in order to restart your PC or laptop. Okay? Again, press Windows key, then X key, U key, and R key together, and in that way or manner, you would be able to restart your computer. Sorry. Okay, let me just show you. Press Windows key, X key, and you would be able to see a window like this. And when you press U key, you would be able to see a small window where you can sign out, where you can sleep, where you can shut down, or where you can restart your computer. So the moment you click on R key, you would be able to restart your computer. Okay, again, let's try again. Windows key, X key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up a window like this. Press the U key, and in that way, you would be able to see a small window like this and press R key together. And by that, you would be able to restart your computer. In my case, I won't be pressing the R key since I'm using my laptop right now for the recording of this video. Okay? Since the moment I click on restart, my video would be, and my recording video would be stopped. Okay? So click on the R key, and in that way, you would be able to restart the computer. Okay. Again, press Windows key, X key, U key, and R key together, and in that way, you would be able to restart the computer. So that's it. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.